I'm just putting this mount round here, this type of a mount, just for give a decent edge, so I don't need bothering the mount. I couldn't afford to be buying mounts all the time, or it's easy to do this, isn't it? Clip it at the edges here. This is just a piece of mount cut out, and it's covering that white. Probably it could be do with being a little bit narrower, so you wouldn't have such a wide edge. A white part, you know, before we get to the edge. Okay, now what are we going to do today? I think I'll try and talk a bit more. We'll put a sky in first of all. I think we'd better just do a quick sky. That's just raised a little bit. No, not like that. It must be pushing it. That is it, isn't it? I tried to tighten it down a bit on top there. That's it. Right, we said we bring a big cloud coming down from that. Oh, we'll take from that end then. There. That big cloud that are coming down. Oh, let's get a bit of pink colour. Light red will do. I'm not putting anything in, it's a very loose painting. Now we're going to put a lake. Let's think of it. Just here. Just let that dry off. Yes, let that dry off. I'll talk a bit louder. Okay, now what if we put some reeds in this water? Just putting my brushes down and taking a bit of weight off my hand. Yeah, what if we put some reeds in, but we put it in the same colour as that yellow there, a bit of yellow in it. Yeah. Now, use a bit of raw sienna or yellow ochre and a bit of pink, and we said we'd put no, it's on this level, so we'll put it on this level. Okay. Now just do that. It's on that level there. And we're making a bit of no, don't get too hard with it. It would be better if it was a bit more of a yellowy cast. Put some like yellow in yours. I know it's on a blue, which is colouring it up a bit, but try a bit more yellow in it. Just giving you an idea of how to do a few reflections, eh? So though we'll have to have this like, we'll change things a little bit. Okay, now a little bit of bluey. looking at your blue, make sure it's like a cobalt type of a blue here, eh? With a little bit of like, well, I've tried a little bit of light red in it. If it's a bit too browny, then carry on with a bit more strong blue in it. And just put a little, like a distant hill there, like that. Look that way. Alright, now then, let's just bring a few lines down there. Okay, leave it at that. Now we've got some distance in there now, let's put a bit more of that. Right. That'll let you imagine things a bit more now. Now I'm bringing that down from here and putting a tree there. Now we're looking at it and we say that we need a little markers. Watch while you're across here, can't just set all kind. It's better if you just a little bit on a yellow with greeny cast there. But not too much, it's on a warm colour, isn't it? Everything's on warm. The old the painting is warmish, isn't it? So let's just see if this colour's anything like it. Now here, this is the area here. Better. Okay, that's how we want it, just like that. Because this, put a little bit of light just around this area, then we'll put a little tree there. And now with this tree you could do it, I'll show you. Could, I was looking at trees today and they're just sticking up in all directions sometimes. Now put a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow together. Get yourself a dryish brush, and this is how the tree went. Rough like that, see. And just here, we'll just have a little bit of lightish colour. It's a bit, I mean, it's like I put it just in that dirty colour there. I've just put some raw sienna in it actually. This, I know it looks a bit No, that was fine. See that? Now here, I'm going to let you imagine some of these things. Okay. I'm just going to put some shrubs at back. Yeah. See what could we put them. Just round the back here. Yeah. Okay, now see if we can have a go at this yourselves. It's getting it just right. The shadows and the reflections in the water is important. There you are.